ಹಲೋ ಹಾಯ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಮೈ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಮುಖ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾಕಾರರು ಹಾಗೂ ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಿಳಿಯುವ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕವರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನೋವೇಷನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಚಾರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಬೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 1822. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್, ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಂಡ್. ರೇಡಿಯೋ ಇನ್ವೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬೈ Guglielmo Marconi. It was invented in 1901 in Italy. Dynamite invented by Alfred Nobel. It was invented in 1862 in Sweden. Air conditioner invented by Julius Carrier, USA. It was invented in 1902. Vaccine Edward Jenner. X-ray William Rontgen. Radioactivity discovered by Henry Becquerel. Electric iron discovered by Henry Seeley. Vulcanized rubber, Charles Goodyear. Vulcanized rubber is invented with the help of adding of sulfur in rubber. This is the invention of Charles Goodyear. Lift elevator Elisha Otis. Revolver invented by Samuel Colt. Safety pin invented by Walter Hunt. Typewriter invented by Christopher Scholz. Telescope invented by Hans Lippershey. Stainless steel invented by Harry Brearley. Blood circulation invented by William Harvey. Malarial parasite discovered by Sir Ronald Ross. Penicillin discovered by Alexander Fleming. This is very innovative discovery from Alexander Fleming. Camera invented by Stephen Sasson. Insulin discovered by Frederick Banting. Electric motor DC Jonob Grammy, Belgium. Electric motor AC Nikola Tesla, US. Microscope invented by Joris Janssen, also called as Jud Janssen, Netherlands. Antiseptic Dr. Joseph Lister, England. Ballpoint pen invented by John J. Loud, US. Atom bomb discovered by Julius Robert Oppenheimer. Cement discovered by Joseph Aspradin, England. Tim Berners-Lee, the man who created the World Wide Web. WWW created, WWW discovered by Tim Berners-Lee. Linus Torvalds, the mind of behind the Linux, Android and the Chrome. James Gosling, the scientist who gave us Java. Bezran Strostrap, creator of the most important language C++. Anders Hesselberg, the Danish programmer building upon JavaScript. Shortcut JS JavaScript. Steve Wozniak, the genius behind the Apple empire. Guido van Rossum, creator of Python programming language. Richard Stallman, a activist campaigning for open software. Brian Kernighan, one of the Unix 3 innovative masterminds. Dennis Ritchie, the man who gave us the C programming language. Ada Lovelace, the first computer program. Alan Turing, inventor of CAPTCHA codes. Hedy Lamarr, creator of Wi-Fi. Grace Hopper, the mother of software. Mark Zuckerberg, one of the most influentially programmers of all time, as the founder and the creator of Facebook. So Mark Zuckerberg revolutionized social media and its monetization, beginning as a small site open purely for Harvard undergraduates. Facebook has grown into a media behemoth whose data is highly lucrative. So these are all the innovations. So for more information, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.